No turning back now. I'm on camera. They busted me.
you break it?
I killed somebody! I killed somebody!
They finally found them.
Are those yours?
Still tough. Not mine.
Could have been part of the problem there.
Yeah, that could have been part of the problem.
Yeah.
Maybe. Oh, God!
That's a late backfire.
Yeah, that could have stopped it up a little bit.
Yeah.
All right. Well, how long was it? 30 minutes maybe digging, and we got both of them?
Yeah.
I got 18 minutes of footage here. You can see I got it from behind my mom's house all the way to the shop. And we got 100 foot of water line.
That would have taken forever.
Then we got 100 foot of water line dug in like 10 minutes. So, big, huge thanks to Gary over at Walker Farm Fam. He brought that over, rented it for the weekend and let me use it. So, heck of a deal. I'm usually wearing a hat. You guys get to see my receding hairline. Anyway, so yeah, if you haven't subscribed to Walker Farm Fam over there, go jump over there and give them a sub. Great people, great YouTube channel. They got a lot of stuff going on. They're getting into some rabbits now, and you're fixing to build a chicken coop.
We've got rabbits, cows, we've got chickens. We're about ready to build a bigger coop and all kinds of stuff.
All kinds of stuff.
A lot of family adventures on there too.
Most of you guys that watch me are already subscribed, but if you haven't, go check them out. So, what else we got today?
What's that for? I got all kinds of ideas going on in my head.
That, you know why I got that? I got that just for you.
Can I have it?
I got that for a raised flower bed just for you.
You did? That's what I was going to do.
I was wondering what that
So,
was.
Yes.
yeah, so
I'm going to paint it, and I'm going to...
now that I got those 10 chicken,
So I can
that
have
was
it?
originally going to be a laying box. I was going to build a laying box.
I was thinking about
But
putting on
you
the
can
side
have
of your
it.
mom's house, on the other side, up against her house.
Whatever you want.
I can have it?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Now's the time. You commit
No,
on
when I was
camera, you're
videoing, I
done.
was just staring at it. I'm like, I wonder if they'll let me have that.
There you have it. Finger out of it.
Get out.
So this little guy right here, this Sun Joe, my mom got it because it's real lightweight and she can run it. Even being out of shape and like she is. So, what if that's my egg guy? There's my egg guy. So we got it. It runs off extension cords. It's obviously electric, and it does a really good job, as you can see how they just videoed me. It really tears up this dirt, and it's lightweight. So if any of you guys are elderly, or if you just got a small garden area close to your house, I would recommend this electric powered Sun Joe tiller. So go check it out.